Then King Nebuchadnezzar was astonished, and he rose in haste and spoke, saying to his counselors, "Hey, didn't we cast 3 men bound into the midst of that fire?" He was no math teacher, but he could probably count to 3. Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego, those 3, in. They answered and said to the king, "True, O king." He's like, "Man, you're the smartest guy alive. Yep, you can count to 3. We threw 3 guys in there, absolutely." Verse 25, "Look, I see 4 men loose, not bound, 4 men loose, walking around in the midst of the fire." Hey, what's going on? Might be a little warm in here, but this is kind of cool. Never been inside of a furnace before.